I'm gonna show you guys how I pack, what I'm one more time. Hey guys, it's your girl YORELISC and welcome back to another video. Today your girl got to go packing. I have to start packing, so I'm gonna show you guys how I pack, what am I bringing, and any tips and tricks that I may know that might be helpful for any of you out there who don't know how to pack. So we're gonna head over to my living room. That's where I have all my clothes laid out, and we're gonna do this. Let's do this. So this is the luggage that I am bringing with me. This is from Walmart and the brand is called ifly. I really like this maleta. Like once I saw it and I saw the rose gold, I was sold. And plus it has so much space. So I am definitely bringing this with me. I got it last year, so I'm pretty sure that Walmart still has it. If not, I will leave a link down below to it. I know that you can get it through their actual website. Okay, so these are all the clothes that I am bringing. I like to lay out all of my outfits. That way I know exactly what I'm bringing and nothing is missing. I always make sure to try on my clothes before I, decide to take them with me, because you don't want any surprises. Especially that we're women and we change our minds and we gain weight. So you always want to make sure that everything fits you good and that you didn't pack anything that you're not gonna ever wear. So also when I'm packing, I like to make sure that I'm going to pack everything together. Like I'm for sure gonna wear this top with these pants. That way everything's together. I'm not confused when I get to the hotel, like, wait a minute, what did I plan to wear again? Like, I don't remember. So this makes life so much easier. It's an outfit sandwich. My sandwich. Love the print. I'm not a big leopard person, but like when I saw this, I just thought it was just too fly. Of course, make sure you always take off your tags. Then you never know if your hotel doesn't have a scissor, and then it's just like annoying to try to get them fixed. I just like to make sure that I look over my bathing suits to make sure that they're not dirty, they don't have any stains, and I plan on wearing this together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to place this back in the little bag. It's gonna leave this by itself since it is white and it's nice and secure, and I just put it together. Okay, so everything is folded up nice and neat. I like to just make sure that I double check all my outfits, and then I like to go to my closet one more time just to make sure, because you just never know. And then as far as this white dress, I am gonna pack it differently because it is white and I don't want anything to happen to it. So I'm gonna fold it up and put it in a plastic bag and keep it in like a safe place. Now, as far as shoes, I'm actually gonna keep it very simple, like very simple. I'm literally bringing a brown pair, a white pair, and a black pair, and then a special pair for the white dress, and then some flip-flops. And then of course, like whatever sneakers I end up wearing on the plane. I'm gonna just keep it cute, clean and simple. How I like to pack them is I'm gonna put them in like a little plastic baggie like this that usually comes in like shoe boxes. I'm just gonna neatly place them inside the bags and put them inside the maleta. So now that I'm done with all of my folding, I'm gonna place all of my items inside of these packing cubes. And this was fairly inexpensive. This was only like $10 on Amazon, which is really good. It comes with a large bag, a medium bag, a small bag, a shoe bag, and then like 3 little pouches. I think I'm gonna use like my hair products and things like that in this. When I pack my underwears and like whatever undergarments I'm gonna wear, I always want to make sure that whatever outfits I have, I'm going to bring the correct undergarments for it. So the majority of these is just regular t-shirts and pants and things like that. So I already have my regular underwears on the side. And then things like this, like a special dress or something, I want to make sure that I have like my strapless bra or my sticky bra or my, nipple covers, things like that. So I like to pack that first, that way I don't forget them. Of course, I'm gonna pack all of my go-to products. The first thing that I like to pack is my makeup brushes, because if you forget this, there is no point of putting on your makeup. So I'm actually gonna put this to the side because I do have to clean my brushes first. My go-to lip combo, can't forget that. Okay, so I'm gonna pack all of my stuff in this humongous makeup bag. I got this on Amazon. What I like about this is that you can take this out and you can put it however you want it, and I just think that's really cool. It has a space up here for your makeup brushes, and then it has a pocket in here, and it also has a pocket in here. Yeah, let's put some goodies in here. Let's do it. So in this section, I'm gonna put all of my like face stuff. So like my towelette, my face wash, moisturizer. Picked up some samples at Sephora. This is the Dewy Skin. This is actually like my third sample. No shame in my game. This is so good, honestly. If you haven't tried that, you need to try that. And then I got a sample of the Summer's Fridays mask. I heard it's really good, especially like if you travel. So I have that in there. And then of course I had to pick this up. You guys, this is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. I love this mask. I tried it on the day of my wedding, and honestly, I think my makeup came out so beautiful because my face was really hydrated and my skin just like, it just needed it, especially after all of that traveling and being in the sun. It's so hot. I highly recommend this, especially on vacay. Boom, we are all packed. Everything just in one luggage made life so easy. I must say, I've come a long way because I used to OD pack. Like, I don't even need a carry-on. I'm just gonna bring like a book bag with me with like my laptop and stuff, and that's it. Alright you guys, that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed and leave me a comment below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And of course, don't forget to glow, especially on vacay. Bye.